Ladies and gentlemen, this is Max over here. Today in this event I'm going to unbox a brand new keyboard from Logitech, and the model name of this keyboard is K120 or simply K120. I would say everything in detail about this keyboard in this video. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel Tech Fair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the Flipkart box packaging. Actually, I ordered this keyboard in Flipkart. Obviously, the packaging is in excellent condition. There is no issue on the box packaging. Let's open the box and check the keyboard out. The build quality and the build material of this keyboard is perfect in this price segment. This is not a gaming keyboard. This is for our normal tasks such as typing, programming or something like that. Logitech is the best brand for different computer peripherals. So for your normal tasks, I think this keyboard is right for you. You will enjoy a comfortable and quiet typing experience thanks to the low profile keys that barely make a sound and standard layout with full size F keys and number pad. Your hands will enjoy the low profile, whisper quiet keys and standard layout with full size F keys and number pad.